Hey guys, me Blaine. I'm back again, and today I have another product review from Launch. What this is, it's a way. I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, and it seems like I have problems finding places to put my sunglasses. So, anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna show it to you. All right, once again, like I said, this is from Launch. It's going to be a quick review. This is, they call it a convenience pocket, center console, armrest, handy pocket. It's made out of a silicone material, and it says here, it says the new version of Model 3, so the Highland, the Model Y, the Juniper. It says it'll fit these, so just take a look at it. Let's open this guy up. This feels really, really nice. This is a nice little black rubber silicone material right here. One thing that I noticed about it is that probably be pretty easy to clean. You know what I'm saying? But looks like down here in the bottom, we got two little stickers. We're going to take those backs off right there, and then we're going to put it on where we need to, and then you just simply can rest your glasses or change or whatever you want to put in this little pocket right here. But let's take a look at it and see what it does. All right, so simply all this is right now when you open this up, you have this little area right here that's not really being used. Your hand goes in there and you just open up your lid here. Well, this thing here is going to slide up underneath there, and you can see it matches the contour of this right here. You still can get to everything you need to down here for your cup holders, your cups, and your drinks and everything. But it just gives you that little bit of area right there where this will fit just like that, and you can still get in there. All right, and now I can have a place just to put my sunglasses, and they can just sit right there, and that way it's easy for me just to get in there and get to my sunglasses when I need them, and it helps protect them anyways, like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up, figure out where it needs to be. Look at it on both sides. I want it right there. Open this up. Make sure it's level, even. I want to see if I can just hold this down over here, reach under here, take off that sticker, put it down there, reach over here, take off the sticker, put it down, press down on the inside where the stickers are, make sure this fits, and looks pretty good to me. And look, now it's not going anywhere. If you ever got to remove it to clean it out, just put two new stickers on there or something like that, and you'll be good. But anyways, that's that. And it really doesn't look that bad, and it looks kind of OEM. And now I can just put my shades in there. Still be able to reach in there and get this. And now my sunglasses have a place to sit. And anything else I want to try to put in here. And it doesn't look like it. Nope, it's not going to slide around or nothing. There you go. Give you another view of it right here. See it just sitting in there. That's what it looks like when the door's open. Not too bad. All right, guys, there you go. That one's a pretty simple one. Once again, this is from Launch, and it's this really cool little pocket, silicone pocket that you can put right here underneath your armrest right there, and you can store your sunglasses and stuff right there, and I think it's pretty neat. So anyways, if this is something you're interested in, the link is down below in your description, guys. Do me a favor, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Check you later. Peace.